In this short video, I am going to demonstrate how to use relative and absolute references in Excel. In Excel, cell references can be relative or absolute. Putting a $ before a row or column label creates an absolute reference. Look at the example. Without the $, the references are relative. When a $ is put before a row label, for example, in $4, keeps the reference fixed to row 4, but allows the column reference to change if the formula is copied to another cell. Similarly, using a $ before a column label, for example, $B4, keeps reference to column B fixed, but allows the row reference to change if the formula is copied. If a $ show up both before the row and the column labels, then the reference to cell B4 is fixed, no matter where the formula is copied. Let me demonstrate an example. Implementing a price demand models in Excel spreadsheet. Demand equals A minus B times P. Demand decreases when prices increases. In order to use Excel to copy the formula in cell B8, you will need to use absolute sign for the coefficient A and B. And since the price is put in A column, you will only need to use $ before A. Therefore, when the formula is copied, Excel can change the number of rows. So let me switch to Excel spreadsheet for demonstration purpose. So here is a demand predictive model, a linear function. Constant A and B are put in cell B5 and B10. Prices, I want to see how the demand changes when prices started from 80 and increasing by 10 every time. So there's a trick. If you want to create a long column, you only need to select, highlight, and then pull this mouse down. And then Excel will automatically increase the prices by 10 for each row. You will need to put a formula for the demand when price is 80 equal. You're going to use absolute reference to both coefficient, and for price, you want to keep the column fixed, but the rows flexible. So therefore, the formula is A, it's in B5, minus B, it's in cell B6, multiply by the price, $80. You're going to keep A, the column fixed, but number of row flexible without $ before 9. After this is done, the demand is calculated. You do not have to repeat entering the formula for every cell in column B. That will take a lot of time. Instead, you can use copy paste, highlight the cell. Again, just pull this mouse down, push the mouse and pull it down. The demand is calculated automatically for the given prices in column A. Let's double check whether the formula is correct. So the coefficient A and B are fixed. And indeed, this is correct because you want to use the price in cell A10. And similarly for this one, you would like to use the price in cell A11.